Welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be discussing 3D printing, and the topic is my top 5 useful prints that I've printed so far. So I've had a 3D printer for about 4 months now. I've really been using it a lot, been learning a lot as well. I've got a Reality Ender 3 and we've done a lot of upgrades to it and stuff. But 3D printing is really useful, and I just wanted to share my top 5 things that I believe has been the most useful to me. Okay, let's get into it. So coming in at number 5, I've got these GoPro mounts. So these are really useful, especially when you like recording your prints and stuff, and for general GoPro stuff, because you can make them in all different shapes and sizes and stuff. But I would recommend not doing them in PLA because they can be a bit fragile since it is an action camera. Number 4 I would say is a phone cover. I literally did this in PLA and it's been lasting. I was really surprised at how well this thing performed. It hasn't broken and my phone has fallen quite a few times with this thing on it. So this was really useful. I didn't print anything on the back, but you can put anything there as well. Number 3 I would say is this headphone stand of mine. So this just clamps to the side of your table or to the side of anything. And your headphones on here, and you can even put your cables down here in these little things. This thing has been really useful because I didn't have anywhere to put my headphones. They've always been making my table messy. So this has really helped quite a bit. Number 2 I would say are these honeycomb organizers. So these are really nice. They're quite small, but they're nice and useful, and the nice thing about them is you can make this thing as big or small as you want to. You can carry on printing these and just slot them into each other. So this has been really nice to keep my table organized. And then lastly, my top 3D print I would say is this thing. So getting the last bit of toothpaste out of the tube is always a flippin' mission, and this thing has made it so easy. You just put your toothpaste in there and roll it up and it squirts it all out. So the nice thing about this specific one is it has a little locking latch, because a lot of the ones that you see only screw up and then they unscrew themselves. So this one has a little latch thingy that locks into place so it doesn't unscrew again as well, which is actually a really nice addition to this little piece. So all of these things I just mentioned, most of them are on Thingiverse, just about all of them actually. I'll link some of them below if you want to print them yourselves and use them. Yeah, thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.